25 years for convicted arms dealer Viktor Bout, the lightest sentence the federal judge could give him because the prosecution proved only intent to supply weapons, but still not acceptable to the Russian government, who called the verdict baseless, biased and politically driven.
Russia will do all it can to get Viktor Bout back to the motherland using the international legal mechanisms. It will be a priority between Russia and the United States.
The Russian government cited the US media's portrayal of Bout as the merchant of death long before his court case as prejudicial to the trial. As well as wall-to-wall news coverage, the Russian was portrayed in the Hollywood movie Lord of War, a movie that Bout himself believes influenced the jury. Bout was arrested in Thailand in 2008 after an elaborate sting operation. US agents posed as arms buyers for the Colombian rebel group the FARC, who the US deems terrorists. They said they needed the weapons to shoot down American helicopters. The Russian had also been accused of fueling conflicts around the globe in countries like Liberia, Congo and Afghanistan, and supplying illegal weapons to accused war criminals like Charles Taylor, accusations that were not included in the prosecution's case.
I'm very disappointed in the sentencing. I expected a life sentence. For the enormity of bloodshed that's on Viktor Bout's hands, I think the judge made a case that the prosecution failed to bring up his violent past, the crimes that he's committed under U.S. jurisdiction. The facts presented before her were very weak, and therefore she gave the lightest sentence possible.
But the Russian government doesn't believe Bout should have been on trial at all, and is promising to make him a priority when the two countries next talk. Incoming President Vladimir Putin is due to visit Camp David, the American president's country retreat, in late May for talks with President Obama. There are much more pressing issues to be discussed between Russia and the United States than Viktor Bout's incarceration. Missile defence shield, the Syrian conflict and Iran's nuclear pretensions being top of the agenda. The Russian Foreign Ministry's calls for him to be brought back here were more for Russian ears. Public opinion very much in favour of him being tried and even jailed on Russian soil, not American. Sue Turton, Al Jazeera, Moscow.